Do you love BMW crossovers? Do you want to know what the next generation of the X3 model will look like? If so, you are in the right place. In this video, we will show you the history of the X3, the features of the current model, and the changes that are expected in the future. The BMW X3 is a compact luxury SUV that has been in production since 2003. It is the second crossover in the BMW lineup after the X5. The first generation of the X3, codenamed E83, was launched in 2003 and lasted until 2010. It was based on the 3 Series platform and offered a range of 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines, as well as a manual or automatic transmission. The second generation of the X3, codenamed F25, was introduced in 2010 and ran until 2017. It was larger and more refined than its predecessor and featured a new design language that was inspired by the X1 and the X5. It also had more advanced technology and safety features, such as a head-up display, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning. The third generation of the X3, codenamed G01, debuted in 2017 and received a facelift in 2021. It is based on the KOLESA platform, which is shared with other BMW models such as the 5 Series and the 7 Series. It offers a variety of powertrains, including gasoline, diesel, hybrid, and electric options. The most powerful version is the X3 M50i, which has a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. But what about the next generation of the X3? Well, according to some spy shots and rumors, the fourth generation of the X3, codenamed G45, will be unveiled next year. It will have a more angular and aggressive design than the current model, with L-shaped LED headlights and taillights, a larger kidney grille, and a relocated license plate niche on the bumper. It will also have new door handles that are similar to those on the X1. The new X3 will continue to use the KOLESA platform, but it will be lighter and more rigid than before. It will also have improved aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. The engine lineup will be updated with more powerful and efficient units, and the top-of-the-line model will be renamed from M50i to M60i. The full-fledged M version will also remain in the range, but there will be no electric version of the iX3. Instead, BMW will launch a new electric crossover on a new platform in 2025. So there you have it, the history and future of the BMW X3 model. What do you think of this crossover? Do you like its design and performance? Do you prefer it over its competitors? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.